everyone, today I'm coming back with an unboxing video for my new pair of shoes. They are Demonia Torment 700. I got them in the mail today and I was so excited and I just couldn't wait to open this now in front of you. But I opened this in front of the camera, I recorded myself, so I hope you like it and I'm coming back with the reviews in a few seconds. As you could see, these are the shoes that I'm talking about, and as I said, it's about Demonia Torment 700. I got mine from Attitude Holland and I want to say that I recommend Attitude Holland because they are so nice people. I had some problems with the order because my name was wrong in the email and I was afraid that I couldn't get my shoes out from the post because here in Austria, if one letter is written wrong, you just can't take the package because it's not you, and I think in Romania is the same. But they were so nice with me. I had so many questions. As I said, I had a problem with the name, but they were really nice and really tolerant, and I appreciate very much that I ordered 3 pair of shoes. I appreciate very much that I ordered 3 pair of shoes and these were already in stock. So they sent me these first and the other 2 shoes are with pre-order between 5 and 10 days. I think they are from the new collection. In front they lace up and in the part you have a side zipper so you can open and close this way much simple. They have always buckle straps with silver spikes and here in front, as you can see, they have a heart. The platform heel has 5.5 inch and the shoe is from vegan leathers. As I said, I haven't tried this outside yet because I just got them in the post earlier, but I tried them inside and I think they're pretty comfortable, a little bit unstable for me, but I think I will get used to them. The quality is very good. You can see it's vegan leather if you don't look closer. I'm not sure how much they will resist, but I have 2 other pairs of Demonia and they are quite good for how many times I wear them, so I think this will resist too. In a few seconds you will see a video with me wearing these shoes. If you like this video and you want to see more unboxing videos coming soon, please subscribe. I will be back soon. Bye! Bye!